What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I got a new setup today. I'm doing something a little different. I got my Traxxas out today, number one, and right now I'm going to do a video of watching my car to get its max speed. Try to get my max speed on this 2S LiPo with a 76 spur, and I think that's 25 tooth pinion. I put on here, that's the max you can get on the brush system. Last time I did it, I got 32.7 miles an hour. Well, I'm gonna try to see if I can get faster than that, and we're gonna both watch it at the same time. So I got the camera set up on the car, and so we can watch it and see the same thing results I get. So let's give it a try. It's gonna be a little bouncy, just to let y'all know. But we can watch the video. Put it up. Let's get it going. Same thing, 32. Did it get faster? Let's watch the video.